Night. Night. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Do you like your new little house?
Up here?
No, you can't get up there.
Why?
No, you'll crash the box. Do you like your new little house? Say thanks, Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Now be careful for the nails. You're going to hurt your feet. Careful for the nails. That's a good boy.
As you open the door for that house.
I'm going to go sleep in there with your blanket. Can I?
Sure.
Sure?
Yeah. Did you say right?
I want you to sit by me for just a minute. I want to hold you.
You can sleep in there.
I can sleep in there? You don't care?
Well, I need to take Wiggly out.
Can I sleep with you in there?
Sure.
Sure, the two of us could sleep in there, couldn't we?
Yeah, sure.
Sure we could.
Come in. Come in.
No, there ain't room for Grandma in there.
Why?
Tell He's making room for me now. Oh, you are a honey boy.
Ooba.
You are a honey boy. Oh, that's nice. You close the door so the bugs can't get in.